One of the reasons you may have heard that revocable living trusts are better and should be used. Well, one of those reasons maybe is that you are in a different state. You're in California, for example. That in Washington, that's not the case, because in Washington, as I just explained, you need a will, not a revocable living trust, to protect assets for your surviving spouse for long-term care purposes. Why do people have revocable living trusts, and why do they have irrevocable trusts as well? Is they want to avoid probate, because probate is something that people are very scared of because they've heard horror stories about probates. I can tell you that with a good estate plan, there will not be a horror story about your probate. There will be legal fees, and that's one of the reasons people want to avoid a probate. Rather than saying, I should avoid probate, the question that should be asked is, should I avoid probate? Is there a benefit to probate? What is that benefit? So if there's no benefit to probate, if there's no reason to have your estate go through probate, then set up your estate plan to avoid it. It can be easily done, either through a revocable living trust, an irrevocable living trust, which is much more complicated to set up and administer, or even pay on death on bank accounts, transfer on death deeds on real property, etc. Probate can be avoided without much complexity, assuming that it's a fairly simple estate. Estates that are more complicated or taxable estates, it's a whole different ballgame.